Hello, my name is Tom, Community Manager at Urban Games. Welcome to the 4th development highlights video. In the last video, we showed you some of the core features of the game and how the simulation works, but of course a transport simulation is not complete without operating and maintaining a wide variety of vehicles. For Transport World 2, we have expanded the fleet significantly. The game now includes 300 vehicles covering a transport history of 170 years starting in 1850 on a broad spectrum of transport modes including new trains, buses, trucks, trams, aircraft and ships. In addition to adding new vehicles, our goal was to set a high standard when it comes to the level of details of vehicle, making it worthwhile to zoom in and take a closer look at the fleet. This is supported by realistically animated vehicle components, drawbars on steam trains are modeled on the real-world counterparts, and working flaps on aircraft are only two examples for that. To further increase the immersion, players should be able to follow passengers along the whole journey. Thus, passengers can be seen sitting in their seats in any vehicle. In addition to expanding the existing vehicle sets, which are mainly focused on North America and Europe, a third vehicle set was introduced, featuring vehicles from Asia, including Russia, China and Japan. Additional vehicles were added to allow transportation of cargo on all transport modes, including aircraft. Also, for many cargo vehicles, a specialized version is available. A higher capacity allows for the optimization of lines with certain cargo types. All vehicles now emit emissions, but modern vehicle versions with low emissions can be bought too, giving the player the opportunity to reduce the negative effects in the late game. Different vehicle sizes make it necessary to expand or rebuild the infrastructure over time, offering a new planning challenge. To make the management of the fleet easier and more accessible, two central tools are available. The line editor is used to create and edit lines. A line can be swiftly planned by simply clicking on the stations in the game world. An overlay, similar to the various layers, helps to quickly identify existing lines and stations. Restricting the selection with filters and search options can help find specific lines. Various settings for each stop allow for more control over which terminal the vehicle should use and how it behaves when loading and unloading cargo. The Vehicle Manager is used to buy, assign and maintain vehicles. New vehicles are bought in depots and are then assigned to a line. Thanks to the various tools, the effort to issue such commands is minimized. For example, it takes only 2 clicks to assign all vehicles from a depot to the line. Cloning existing vehicles in a depot is possible too, but also while they are already in service. Of course, more precise control is possible with the option to select a single or even multiple vehicles at once. This makes it possible to complete complex tasks like setting the maintenance level in order to decide how fast vehicles will age. Also, changing the color of vehicles is a task done in a matter of seconds. Overall, we aim to strike a balance between adding popular and interesting vehicles, to both satisfy the demand for a visually appealing game, but also for deeper gameplay, for which new and improved tools were introduced. This was the last development highlights video. Thank you all very much for your attention and interest in our game. I'm happy to share that we will announce the release date soon, and after that we will publish a gameplay video. All the best from the whole team at Urban Games, and until next time, bye bye.